Hi there, I'm Cameron Dawes at the HVAC Technical Academy. Today I will be showing you the refrigerant recovery process. For this process, you need a manifold gauge set, a recovery system, a recovery cylinder, and a scale. To start this system, you will unplug your high side from your manifold gauge set and plug it up to the liquid side. You're going to unplug your low side and plug it up to the suction side. Next, after you plug those up, you're going to plug your refrigerant hose to the inlet. This is the in, this is the out. You're going to plug your refrigeration hose into the inlet, and you're going to have another hose, an extra hose. You're going to plug it into the recovery cylinder and the outlet of the recovery system. Okay, before you start any of this, you have a scale. You have to get your tare weight. Turn your scale on. Once your scale turns on, okay, so the tare weight is 20.2. Okay, that's the tare weight. That's how much this cylinder is, not how much it holds. You can put as much as probably about 23 inside of it. You're going to tear this. You're going to tear this and put this at 0 so you can have that regular. Next, you're going to open your ball valves on this. You're going to open up your high and low side until it's all the way open, not fully open. Then you're going to open your refrigerant hose, your refrigerant knob. Next, you're going to open your ball valve right here on the inlet, and you're going to purge all air out, all non-condensables. Usually it's going to make a noise for about 2-3 seconds, and then the noise will decrease. Next, you're going to come over here and you're going to purge this. Usually it would be a ball valve, but this hose doesn't have a ball valve, so you're just going to purge it regularly. Probably about a couple seconds and close it back up. Next, you're going to open up the cylinder. And after you open up the cylinder, you're going to come here. You're going to start and switch it to recovery. And then that's it.